Welcome back to our basic Excel course. Today, we are going to continue learning about creating drop-down lists, but with a twist. This time, we'll use a named list. This method allows you to build a drop-down menu based on a list you've already created and named. The great thing about using a named list is that whenever you update the source list, the drop-down menu updates automatically, making your data entry more dynamic and easier to maintain. To start, you first need to prepare your list of items. For example, you might have departments like operations, finance, and CEO. Enter these values in a column somewhere in your workbook. Once you've created this list, select the cells and give the range a name. Something like departments. Naming your list is an important step because it makes managing your data easier and more organized. Next, select the cell or range of cells where you want the drop-down list to appear. Go to the Data tab and click on Data Validation. Choose the option to allow a list. Then in the source box, type the name of your named range exactly as you defined it, usually preceded by an equals sign, like OSH departments. This tells Excel to use that named list as the source for your dropdown. After clicking OK, your dropdown menu will appear in the selected cells, showing all the items from your named list. The powerful part is that if you ever need to add, remove, or change an item in your original named list, the drop-down menus will automatically reflect those changes without needing to adjust each drop-down individually. Using named lists for drop-downs not only keeps your spreadsheet clean, but also makes it highly adaptable for future updates. This is especially useful in larger workbooks where multiple drop-downs need to reference the same set of data. Keep practicing this technique to make your Excel sheets more professional and efficient. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to follow along for more helpful lessons in our Excel Basics series.